இப்படி எல்லாம் செய்யக்கூடாது. இப்படி எல்லாம் செய்யக்கூடாது.
Avians are the largest land mammals in the Amazon, growing up to 300 kilograms. When pursued by predators, they plunge into the river. This multi-purpose snout doubles up as a snorkel, helping the animal stay submerged for hours. The Amazon is home to many smaller creatures. Look to your right, hiding among the leaves and branches.
இதுக்கு ஜக்வார் இருக்கு. ஜக்வார் ஓகே. ஜக்வார் இருக்கான்.
Tiger.
Jaguars are the largest big cats found in the Americas and are known for their beautiful golden orange and black rosettes. Their fur coat helps them blend into their rainforest environment. With wings and powerful bites, jaguars hunt a wide variety of animals in the Amazon.
அந்த அதுக்கு படுத்துருக்கு. அப்படியே இருங்க. ஐயோ அடுத்த கண்டம் பாருங்க. ஐயோ
The Amazon rainforest is nourished by the Amazon River. Many of them are city species, spurring on the continuous renewal of the rainforest. Let's turn our gaze to the left. These are flamingos. The flamingos' curved beak act as a seed, filtering out microscopic food in the water. It is this food that gives the flamingos its red plumage. Turn to your right to see our capybara. These giant cousins of the rats and hamsters can weigh between 35 and 66 kilograms.